welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm going to do is just show you the new wheel arches that I've fitted on my Transporter T5. So I think it's about 3 or 4 weeks ago I bought them, and the idea of them is to just give the van a bit more of a like swamper look, because I've got my new wheels on there and I wanted to give it that final touch of like the black plastic trims around the outside. So yeah, it blends in really well. Now's a good time for me to do the video because I've just done some back to black on the bumpers as well, and also done the arches, so it looks really good. So what I'm going to do is walk you around the van, show you exactly what they look like, and I'm going to put a link in the description where you can get them from. One thing I will say though, if you're going to fit them yourself, just go carefully with them. Take your time when you fit them. Make sure the van's nice and clean. Make sure there's no sort of like dust or dirt. And before you actually fit them, just push them up to the van and just see that they line up, because if they don't fit perfectly, they're never going to fit perfectly by the time you've put your PU bonding on or your Sikaflex adhesive. So yeah, that gets a bit messy. So the stuff they give you as well, the PU bonding, is very messy. I would recommend getting your own adhesive in a gun and then fitting it that way. And yeah, just take your time, go easy. If not, just fit them with the 3M tape. Part of me wishes I'd done that now, because it would make less damage should I take them off, but hey ho, we live and learn. And yeah, I'm going to show you around the van now. So these are the bumpers which I've just back to black, and these are the new trims I've fitted. So you can see it finishes off the van nicely, and the wheels themselves. So they come in like 10 parts. So you've got this part here, and you've got another part here. Mine's a dual sliding door, so I think mine's got more trims than the single sliding doors. And then the front, you've got 3 parts to it. So like one there, and one there. I'll take you around to the other side. You can see the bumper been back to black. So yeah, sticks on. They're really good though. They do go on lovely. Like I say, just be careful, especially in like the corner, like the end bits. If you're gonna Sikaflex it or bond it, only do it in the middle. On the other side, I did do it sort of at the top, and that's where you shouldn't bond it actually, because it basically makes the lip of the arch stick out a bit. So, but yeah, I'm really happy with them overall. It's really good. Just finishes the van, because mine's got a commercial look on it. The front bumper isn't painted either, so it blends in. Oh yeah, I've got a new badge on there, just to match. I'm a bit limited for space in my parking spot, so I couldn't take a proper shot of the van sideways. So what I'm going to do is, in a sec, you'll see I'm going to do a before photo of the van and then an after photo with the arches fitted. So yeah, anyone that's thinking about doing it, my honest opinion is they're one of the most valuable upgrades you can get, especially if you're trying to achieve that swamper look. It just makes a big difference, especially for the money. Like most people putting on front ends, body kits, spoilers and all that, and paying thousands. I think these arches were about 160 quid or something. So yeah, well worth a go. If you've got any questions, please leave them below. I'll get back to you. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I will no doubt be putting another video up soon. I'll just put them up as and when it comes into my head and when I've got a bit of extra time. So yeah, cool. See you soon.